This rare 17th century masterpiece is for sale. Located in Badminton, Avon, England. It offers 9 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms. This impressive country estate extends to approximately 15,030 square feet and is set within 18.5 acres of landscaped grounds. Approached via a private half-mile tree-lined driveway, the house is arranged around a central courtyard, creating a practical layout with a series of interconnected south-facing reception rooms filled with natural light. The first floor features a substantial principal suite with dressing room, bathroom and shower room, alongside 5 additional bedroom suites and a grand library. The second floor provides further accommodation, while a separate 1-bedroom apartment on the ground floor is ideal for guests or staff. Surrounded by mature parkland and formal gardens, the property offers the scale and flexibility expected of a distinguished country residence. The asking price of this rare 17th century masterpiece is £9,500,000.
For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.